Linking your bank account to your Paramount Plus account is a straightforward process that allows for seamless payments and subscriptions. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Sign into Paramount Plus. Visit the Paramount Plus website or open the app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen, often represented by your profile icon or name. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Account Settings menu, find the section labeled Payment Methods or Billing. Click on this option to manage your payment information. Step 4. Add Bank Account Information. Look for an option to add a new payment method. Choose the option for bank account or direct debit. Enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number as prompted. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Confirm button to link your bank account to your Paramount Plus account. Now your bank account is linked and you can enjoy uninterrupted access to Paramount Plus content. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.